So today I'm giving my cats a bath because they smell. They smell of pee, they're greasy, so they need to have a nice bath all ready for Christmas. They don't like it, they hate it, but they feel much better when they're done. So I've got my cat shampoo, I've got the bath ready, now I just need to get the cats in. So Misty won't actually be having a bath. Misty is 15 years old. He's really old. And he's going blind, so I don't want to put him in the bath and really frighten him just in case anything happens to him. But Zeus and Atlas will be going in the bath. Zeus is 5 years old now and Atlas is 4, and they are smelly and lazy and fat and they need a bath because they always stink of pee. So they are going in the bath. Come on. Babies. Oh no! Oh baby! Hey you! Oh, I know. Oh, I know. It's okay. Come on. Come on, Dummy. Baby. Oh no, Zeusy. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I got you. I know. I know. Oh, I know. Come on now, good boy. Baby, baby, oh baby, no, baby. So Atlas is still my friend, the cats are still my friends. They feel much better. They're not greasy. They're nice and fluffy and clean, and they smell good. They're acting a lot better as well, so it definitely has effect. They seem to be in a better mood.